I'm back out here in Midland City. I thought I'd do a quick follow-up on the splits we made last week. Right here is where I did the queen excluder split video. The bees are right here behind me. And then over here, we made some splits the next day. I had some folks here helping me, Greg Burns from Nature's Image Farm, as well as some others. And that video is yet to come out. I'll put a link to that at the end of this video when I get it finished out. But today we're going to check the queens, see if they got released. We're going to check the food situation, just kind of peek in these colonies a little bit, see how they're doing. And we'll also go into these nukes back here and see if those queens are released and see what the food situation is there. It was cold early in the week and it's been raining the last couple of days. So the bees, I think the rain is still a little cloudy now, but it's about to clear out. I think we're going to have some days of real nice weather coming up for the bees to just start progressing and moving forward, hopefully very quickly. Okay, here's one right here with one of the Kona queens in it from the video I did on the easiest splits, aka the queen excluder splits. Doesn't look like they've eaten much of the food. I do see some bees here though. They look calm so far. Let's just see what we came up with. Okay, so you see the bees have greatly reduced their population simply because a lot of them probably flew back to the home colony. That was to be expected. I was hoping to see a few more bees in there than this, but it's just what you tend to see sometimes. Plus it's a little bit cool out here. They might be clustered some, but they're obviously clustered over the brood over there. These little queen cups, those were probably there when we split last week. There's nothing in them. Looks like they've been putting some nectar or probably syrup in that frame right there. I'm not too concerned about the size of this colony because it's okay if they're a little bit smaller right now. Kind of got to get regrouped a little bit. Same thing there, we got nectar or probably syrup in that frame. And here's the cage down here. Looks like she has been released. No queen in the cage. See if I see any eggs. I'd love to see a few, but don't know that I will. Yep, okay. This entire section right here is full of eggs. That means we've got us a queen that is out. She's laying and doing her job. Don't really have to find her. Make sure we don't have a queen active. Nope, no egg in that cup. That's a dry cell. Let's see if we can find the queen. She's got a big old white dot on her, so we should be able to see her. Oh my gosh. She's in here laying though for sure. If I don't see her on a quick scan, I'm okay with that. She has definitely been released. Got some nectar there, nectar there. One more quick scan through here. I didn't see her. You may have seen her if you were watching close. I didn't see her. Where you at, girl? I mean, eggs in every cell in that one area of that frame, so she's definitely been released. I just don't see her. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Got a few bees over here. Is there a chance she made it over here? Doubtful. Nah, she's not over here. We got brood over here. I'm not sure why that frame of brood was clear over here. Move that frame of brood over close to the rest of the brood. You know, as quick as we were moving bees around and everything the other day, I'm sure everything didn't match up exactly how it should. So I'm gonna put this frame of brood right in here. Move a frame or two over here. Let's just kind of get the bees centered better. Then we'll just get out of here and let them do their thing. I'd like to see the bees in the middle, if I can. Middle of the hive, the brood in the middle. So we'll put that frame there. Also get them centered underneath the food a little better. Take one more little look to see through the queen real quick. If I see her, we'll pull her out. If not, then this is going to be the last little go through. I'd just like to see her real quick while I got you on the video. I know she's in there because we saw the eggs. That's the key that you have to see. Oh. They seem quite calm. Probably means they're queen right and they're getting the food. Makes them happy. Quick scan, nothing too lengthy here we're going to do. Where you at, girl? She's pretty good at hiding already. Should be able to see her pretty easily. Just don't see her. Oh well. I'm not too worried about it. She has been released, that's the main thing. She's not on the lid. Okay, cover them up. Put the food over them. And I'll set the cage right here. That means we've checked them. Why don't we pick on this one? Same thing, still have a fair amount of food left. They have eaten some of it though, I can tell. I'm not using smoke, so maybe they won't be too crazy. If they are, I'll have to get the smoker out. These bees are a little more fired up, just a bigger colony. Queen's been released, and see if we can find eggs. I'll work a little slower than I was when we were doing the splits. A little more gentle. Just had to go fast last week. I don't have to do anything fast this week. We got the brood right there. That's left over from last week. Well, once again, I didn't. Why don't I get smart and fasten my jacket good before I. I think we've actually had some brood. Yep, we got eggs. Eggs all through here, which means we got us a queen in here. So she's been released. Maybe we can find her. I'm still not. I mean, I find the queens a lot of the time, and sometimes I just have the hardest time. There she is right here. Big old dark queen. That might be why they're hard to see, because they're so dark. Sometimes those darker queens are harder to see, but she's walking around the frame right here like a boss. She's doing good. Pull that cage out. And we found her, so that's all we gotta see. We know she's in there, we know she's laying. They got food. They should be in good shape now probably for a couple of weeks. Now we're gonna check the queens in these nukes right here. These were put out here actually last Saturday, which was 6 days ago. Nice strong splits here. Wow, look at that. That's the difference of moving them away from the original donor hives and keeping them in the same yard. You do lose some population, you keep them in the same yard. I think these are nice looking nukes. We got that thing full of food. Let's see if the queenie's been released. Gonna look for eggs. I see eggs already. Yep, there's a queen in here for sure. Eggs all through here. All these empty cells have eggs in them. Wow, this thing's gonna be ready to go here very, very soon. We made these super strong. I'll do a quick scan for the queen, but I really don't care too much if I find her. Not that big a deal. We just know she's been released and she's laying. Oh yeah, eggs everywhere. She is killing it. As many bees are in here, they probably got to release pretty quickly and let her get to work. We're starting to draw that frame out. We want them to draw this thing out completely, so we're going to go ahead and put some more food in here for them. They pretty much used all the food that was in there. Check one more time for the queen, real quick scan. I don't see her. Not a big deal. This is one of Zach's queens from Heinzelman apiaries in Hawaii. All these nukes have his queens in them. There she is. Oh, she's beautiful. Wow. These are such beautiful queens. Look at her. Beautiful elongated body. She's got that Cordovan thorax. Just a beautiful queen right there. She's going to work. I don't have a white marker, so I can't mark them right now, but all right, everything's going as planned here. Excited about that. I'm gonna leave this tilted like this so I can come back and feed him here in a few minutes. All right. Wow, look at that split. Super strong. I am planning on selling. I've got about 20 spoken for so far. May sell just a couple more, but don't want to sell a lot this year. I'm trying to grow a little bit this year, a little bit more, and replace what I lost. Just trying to get this nuke thing figured out, so maybe in the future I can maybe sell some more nukes. There she is. Wow, there she is. Look at the beautiful queen. Found her quick. She's just doing her thing right here. I guess that's all we got to see there. Let's get this thing removed and get them fed. So that's all we're doing today, just checking on real quick, not really going through and inspecting everything, just kind of confirming the queens have been released out of their cages and that things are looking good. What do you think about those splits? Pretty strong if you ask me. They're going to do well. It has warmed up marvelously. The sun is out and bee season is here. I think we're up for some nice warm weather. The cold weather's behind us, at least for now. Rainy weather's behind us, at least for a few days. Man, those splits out there look good, and the splits over here look okay as well. We got 100% queen acceptance from whatever I can tell. We got eggs in every colony, and I saw quite a few of the queens. I appreciate y'all coming along for this ride. It's been an interesting journey the last couple of weeks getting this done. I'm gonna put a link to my easiest splits technique right here, where we actually pulled these splits last weekend. I'm also gonna drop a link for the splits where we did those back there when I get it done right here. We'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching Bruce's Bees.